presenting the 2013 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, privacy glass, rear defrost, sliding rear window, premium sound system and satellite radio. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.